Hey everyone, I received these kits from EngKidz. They sent them to me for review, and I'm super excited to see what's inside these boxes. But from what I've heard on their website, these kits you can go further. So you don't have to do just the one thing that comes with the kit. The activities are designed so that you can modify and see what happens. And for those of you who know me from Smarter Science, you probably know that I like students asking, what happened if I change this? What happened if I change that? It's all the idea of changing variables. And from what I've seen, these kits come with instructions. They also come with instructional videos that encourage kids to go further. So basically what we do in the classroom, but they get to do it at home. So let's have a look. So this is called EngKidz, the TwitchBot. So those of you who know me, I love robotics. So let's see what's inside. So I'm gonna open it. Oh, super nice. So it comes with a nice box, and it comes from a message from the company. That's nice. And it also comes with that instruction booklet. So when they say they include a lot of things for kids to do, lots of pictures. It's like a mini magazine here. Lots of pictures, lots of instructions, but even some games, some crossword puzzles. Oh, that's awesome. And some ideas on how they can change the project. And from what I read, everything is included. So let's see what's inside the box. I'm gonna open this and see what's inside the box here. Oh, so this one does come with a motor, and it comes with everything that you need. So the clips, the rubber bands, the markers, because from what I can see on the website, and let me show you on the website, with this one, the TwitchBot, your robot can actually draw. So let me load that little video here. See, your robot can draw. So I assume it's using some sort of vibration to make the robot move and draw on the piece of paper. So students are encouraged to change variables. What happens if I change the position of the marker? What happens if I change the position of the weight? What happens if I maybe use different batteries? But you have the motors, you have the clip, and you also have all of the wooden part. So I think if you're looking for a holiday gift for your kids, maybe you're part of a homeschool association, maybe you're a school and you want to do after school STEM activities, or maybe you're a daycare and you want to do after school activities. These kits, it says ages 7 and up. And from what I can see, I would definitely be entertained building this TwitchBot and seeing what I can change. So I think this is a great purchase if you're interested in supporting a Canadian company, because they ship everywhere in Canada. They're from Canada. And I think it's great for students and kids to be curious, to wonder what might happen if they change things in their constructions.